Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring you have admin access and a stable internet connection. This lets Windows reach time servers. Open Settings, go to Time and Language, and set the correct time zone, turn off and on set time automatically once. Next, press Windows plus R, type Services, MSC, and locate Windows Time. If it's not running, set Startup Type to Automatic and start the service. Once done, you've created the foundation, so the system can accept a manual sync without obstacles. You now force a direct sync using elevated commands, so you both fix the time and reveal errors. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Type net stop W32 time to stop the service, then net start W32 time to restart it. After that, execute W32tm/resync/no8 to request immediate synchronization. Waiting isn't necessary. Finally, run W32tm/query/status to confirm the poll interval and source. If you see an error, note the server name. It tells you whether network or configuration is the issue. Finish by pointing Windows to a reliable NTP source and verifying persistence. Open Control Panel, Date and Time, Internet Time, change settings to time. Windows, COM or a public NTP and update now. If the clock keeps drifting, make sure the CMOS battery isn't low and update BIOS or firmware. Hardware issues often cause recurring changes. If you hit trouble, use Event Viewer to read Windows time errors. The error code directs the next fix. Make sure to reboot after each major change, and then recheck the time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.